Hello, up here. Hi guys, welcome to Buffalo Creek Estuarine Mudflats, right next to the Buffalo Creek boardwalk on which I'm standing. So this site is in Sydney, Australia. It's an estuarine mudflat, that is, it's intertidal. My name's Pat, I'm from Field of Mars Environmental Education Centre, and if you're watching this video, you're probably preparing to come on a fieldwork excursion with me or one of my other teacher friends at Field of Mars Environmental Education Centre. So the crabs you've been watching, most of them are semaphore crabs, some are adults but most are juveniles, and the camera right now is positioned about 5 metres from the low tide channel. In about 3 hours time, the area that you're looking at will be underwater by about 50 centimetres. So what I need to do with you is to frame the investigation task. We need to design an investigation methodology that finds the relationship between crab abundance and the position in the mudflats from low to high. I can't tell you exactly what the methodology is now because the point of the exercise is that you guys need to come up with the methodology yourself. We're going to be using some pretty basic equipment such as measuring tapes, lightweight marker flags. We'll be selecting what interval to place them along the measuring tape, manual handling equipment, and counting frames such as this. This one's 1 metre squared, they're called quadrats, and we'll be putting them down on the mud, and that'll help us to get a good estimate of how many crabs live per square metre. So enough about your main investigation for the day. Now let's walk for a couple of minutes to the other 2 study sites that you might be investigating during your field work. Come with me. Here we are. This is the coastal sandstone gully forest. It's a terrestrial ecosystem and most people would just call this the Australian bush. It's dominated by eucalyptus trees, medium plants known as shrubs, and many ground covers. And it's here that you'll be designing an investigation that compares the biotic and abiotic factors to do with this ecosystem and relates them to the habitat needs of certain endangered animals. Probably the long-nosed bandicoot and the red-crowned toadlet. And this is the 3rd site that's available for your field study. This is a freshwater rain pond. This water fell from the sky as rain probably 2 weeks ago, and it's collected here in a depression in the sandstone platform. This site's ideally suitable for water quality testing. Factors that we can test here include pH, water temperature, phosphates, dissolved oxygen, conductivity, turbidity, and many more. Here's another rain pool. It's only about a 20 metre walk from the first. The thing to keep in mind about these rain pool sites is they're not going to always be available for investigation. And the reason for that is quite simple. If we don't get a lot of rainfall, or if there's dry periods with a lot of evaporation, they just dry up. Okay, I hope that gives you an idea of the scope and the sort of variables that you might be investigating on your fieldwork, and we look forward to working with you guys on the day. See you soon.